way. Yeah. Are you gonna live? Are you gonna live? You wanna look out the window? Can you walk all the way over here with them? Come on. Come on. Look out the window. Oh my gosh, it's all the way across the room. It's like 12 feet. Oh, guess what? You're doing it. You have shoes on. It's amazing. Quiet. How about that? Really? We're excited because she has shoes on. You don't even know what you're barking at. Woo! Yes! Shelby, shut up. What's out there? Cooper. Oh, it's cold. Okay. We shut the door. Okay, you two. Here, Sophie, shut the door. Come on. Come shut the door. Here. No, this door. Don't like them. You gonna shut the door? Are you gonna shut the door? Nah. I love me. I love me. I love me because I'm super cute. Hello? Who is it? Hello? Who is it? There, what do you think? Think you can live with those? You can learn to walk in those. Take them off. Put one in the other room. Oh, let's see what Puppy thinks. Oh, you make funny noise. Come on. Wheels. Wheels. No. 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 Can you walk over here? You think it's cold out this door? That's a little better. You get cute little bunny boots. What's this say? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Who's on the phone? Are you on the phone? Who is it? Shelby. Oh boy, you got a bunny on your foot.